A certain plumber charges $92 for a certain job for each job completed in 4 hours or less, and $23 per hour for each job completed in more than $4. So that's what it is. So his total charge can be calculated in this way, that if he is working for X hours, then it will be 92 92 plus, if x is greater than 4, then x minus 4 multiplied by 23, and that has to be an integer. So that's how the charges of that plumber are being calculated. If it took plumber the total of 7 hours to complete the 2 separate jobs, what was the total amount of plumber charged for the 2 jobs? Now we have 7 hours here to be distributed. Now 7 hours could be distributed in 2 ways. Either it can be 4 plus 3 hours, or it can be 3.5 plus 3.5 hours, or it can be 5 hours plus 2 hours. So there are various possibilities, and all these cases will give us the different kind of charges that he is charging. So we have to see the statements, and what do they have for us? The first statement says that the plumber charged $92 for one of the 2 jobs. That means one of the 2 jobs cost him, took his less than 4 hours, because he is charging $92 for the job that is completed in 4 hours or less. So there are 2 possibilities that we can take. Case number 1, that his first job took 4 hours, and okay, the plumber charges $92 for one of the 2 jobs. That means for the other job he did not charge $92, and in that case the possibilities could be that he charged 2 plus 5, or he charged 1 plus 6 hours. This is possibility, because in this particular case the charge for the 2 hours will be $92, plus for the next 5 hours he will be charging 92 plus 23 multiplied by 1. That will be the total charges. For the second one, his charge will be 92 plus 92 plus 23 multiplied by 2, because now he is working for 2 hours extra beyond the 4 hours. So the charges in these 2 cases are giving us the different values. Therefore we say that the first statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question. So option A and option D are out. Let's check the second statement. The second statement says that the plumber charged $132 for one of the 2 jobs. So how would he charge $138? Let's quickly calculate. So 138 should be equal to 92 plus 23 multiplied by something. So let's call it 23 multiplied by A. That means he worked A hours more than 4 hours for one of the jobs. So 23A becomes equal to 38 plus 8, which is equal to 46. So A is equal to 2, which means one of the job took him 4 plus A, which is 2, 6 hours. And since he worked for 7 hours, so second job must have taken his 1 hour. And now the question is the total amount charged. Now we can calculate it. The total amount charged will be $138 for the first job, and for the second job it will be $92. So we can just add them up and say that $230 was the total charge. We have the unique value, so we say that the second statement alone is sufficient to answer the question, and final answer of the question is option B. Second statement alone is sufficient, but the first alone is not sufficient. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.